Dear students, I am going to talk on IUPAC nomenclature of alkenes. This is my third talk about the topic alkenes. So alkene, it is the part 3, IUPAC nomenclature. To name an alkene, according to IUPAC system, following two formula is adopted. Formula number 1 is root word plus primary suffix. When we add these two words together, we get the name of an alkene. So root word plus primary suffix gives you the name of the alkene. When substituent in alkene is absent, this formula is used when substituent in the alkene is absent. The second formula is formula second, prefix plus root word plus primary suffix gives you the name of alkene. When a one or more substituent is present in the molecule. When one or more substituents is present in the molecule. The prefix indicates the prefix is used for substituent. Prefix is used for the substituents. Primary suffix for alkene is -ene. Root word indicates the number of carbon atoms present in the main chain. Root word indicates the number of carbon atoms in the main chain. What is the main chain? The longest continuous chain, the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms is called the main chain. The number of carbon atoms in the main chain decides the root word. Root word. the number of carbons in main chain decides the root word. For example, number of carbon atoms and root word. When one carbon number is 1, it is meth. When 2, it is eth. When 3, it is prop. When 4, it is but. When 5, it is pent, and so on. And so on. If compound is cyclic, if alkene is cyclic, then root word is given as. If alkene is cyclic, then root word is given as. Root word for cyclic, there is no root word for cyclic for carbon number 1, no for carbon number 2. The root word for the cyclic alkene starts from carbon number 3. So if it is 3, number of carbon atom is 3, then it is called cycloprop. If it is 4, cyclobute. If it is 5, cyclopent. If it is 6, it is called cyclohex. So these are the general informations about alkenes before taking the name according to IUPAC system. Now take the example. I start with the simplest one. The first member is examples. I take simplest example. This is CH2. The root word carbon number is 2. So root word is eth. Primary suffix is "-ene". So "-ene", it becomes ethene. So this is root word. This is primary suffix. Primary suffix. Go on ahead. If it is one more carbon, so root word will be prop. Primary suffix is "-ene", so it is propene. It is allotted number 1, 2, 3. So I can say 1 propene or may not say 1 propene. Just propene word is sufficient for this. Now add one more example. CH3, CH2, CH2. Lowest number is given to double bond. While numbering, lowest number is given to double bond. So lowest number is given to carbon carrying double bond. So I I have started the numbering from this carbon atom 1, 2, 3 and 4. So root word is but, primary suffix is in, number is 1. This is butene 1 or 1 butene or but 1 in or but 1 in. If double bond is shifting, so it is like that. So you can put the number either from this side or from this side. So you start from this side, 3 and 4. Root word is but. Its double bond position is 2. En but 2 in or 2 butene. Similarly, one more example in this type of compound. Say it is, if it is 5-membered alkene, so it is written as, numbering is given from this side because position is lowest from this side. So it is 4, 5. 5 carbon, so root word is pent. Pent. Location of the double bond is 2. Pent 2 in or 2 pentene. So these are the compounds without any side chain or without any substituent. Now see the examples where side chain is present. For example, you make a side chain in this molecule, or take fresh example. So if it is benzene, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2. This is side chain or substituent. Numbering is given from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4. So prefix plus root word plus primary suffix is equal to name. The prefix, this is for the side chain or the substituent. So it is bonded to 4 carbon number 4. So it is 4. This is phenyl group, 4 phenyl. Root word is but. Primary suffix is in. So this is 4 phenyl but 1 in. If it is CH2, CH, CH3, like that. So numbering can be given from this side or from this side. Both are the same distances. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 cyclopropyl. 4 cyclopropyl. Root word is but 2 in. If double bond and triple bond both are present in the same molecule, say this is CH2, double bond CH, CH, triple bond CH. So priority is given to double bond. While numbering of carbons, the double bond is given priority. The double bond is given priority. So numbering starts from this side, not from this side. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So its root word is pent. So its name will be pent. Position of double bond is 1. pent 1 in 4 wine. 4 wine. Yeah, we can also write like this. This is not correct. 1 pent in 4 wine, or pent 1 in 4 wine. One pent in 4 wine or 1 pent in 4 wine. But this is not directly bonded, so it is 1 in 4 wine. This is correct. This in for the double bond. This is primary suffix for double bond in, and primary suffix for triple bond is wine. When both are connected together, E is omitted or E is removed. But when there comes a locant and a number in between these two, E is not removed. This is important, because in between in and wine there is locant 4, so E, terminal E will not be removed. It will be as such. Say CH2, CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH. This compound has 3 double bonds. So it is, if 1 double bond it is in, if 3 double bond it is trine. So numbering is allotted from this side because it is the lowest one. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So its root word is heft. The location of double bond is 1, 3, 5. If it is 1 double bond, so it is in. If it is 3 double bond, so it is tri-in. Tri-in. So it is hepta 1, 3, 5 tri-in. In this context, it is necessary to tell you that if it is cyclic compound like this cyclic compound has 3 double bond, so its name will be cyclohexa. Numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 3, 5 tri-in. The above compound contains 3 double bonds, so it is a tri-in for this compound. This cyclic compound contains 3 double bonds, so for this it is tri-in, but this is wrong. This is not correct. For this, the correct name is benzene. Correct name is benzene. This is the IUPAC name. IUPAC name. So you should not confuse with the double bond in the ring and the double bond in open chain. Both double bonds are different. It is true double bond, but this double bond is not true. So the IUPAC name for this compound is benzene, and this is wrong. Cyclohexa 1,3,5 tri-in is wrong. Say in this context, if it is CH3, so its name is methylbenzene. Methyl is substituent, so its name is methylbenzene. Or more correctly, it is toluene. It is toluene. IUPAC system. IUPAC supports both names. IUPAC nomenclature, it is methylbenzene or it is toluene. If it is like that, OH, and this is CH3. So OH is a functional group. Yeah, if it is absent, the name will be hydroxybenzene, hydroxybenzene or phenol. IUPAC system, it is called phenol. I am giving these examples only because of the presence of 3 double bond in the ring. So, the students may not confuse. It is necessary to show these examples before the students. If I add CH3 in the same molecular formula, in the same structural formula, it is OH and this is CH3. So it is the substituent. So name will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 2-methyl phenol. So these are the additional examples for the sake of the students' interest. Now I am coming on the main line. Say it is CH3, double bond CH3. This is CH2. This simple alkene contains a side chain. This is the side chain. Side chain. Number is allotted like this. So it is 2-methyl propene. It is 2-methyl propene. If you write or extend this molecule as CH3, 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 then numbering can be given from any side 3, 4. So its name will be 2,3-dimethyl, 2,3-dimethyl butadiene, butadiene. If compound is given like this, this is the compound. So it is CH2, or I mention here like that, CH3, CH2, C double bond CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is the compound, the same compound. So numbering is given from this because this is carbon-carbon double bond, these two. This is longer, so follow this path. And this is the substituent, this is the ethyl substituent. So name will be 2-ethyl, 2-ethyl pent, 2-ethyl pent 1-ene or pentene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2-ethyl pent 1-ene or pentene. Now make a change, make it diene. Suppose this is double bond, this double bond and this double bond. Numbering will be started from which side? A simple explanation is this is preferable numbering 1, 2 because side chain comes near. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 2-ethyl. Root word is pent. 1. So it is penta 1, 4-diene. One 4-diene. Now the cyclic examples. Suppose this is cyclohexene. This is methyl substituent. The problem is to number the carbon atoms of cyclohexane ring. So numbering is started from this point because this number is also covers the side chain, which is the lowest for both for the double bond as well as for the side chain. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. CH3 is prefix, so it is 1-methyl. 1-methyl cyclohexene. 1-methyl cyclohexene. If it is Cl, if it is Br, if it is CH3. देखिए lowest sum rule is applied. This is carbon-carbon double bond. This is substituent and this is substituent. This substituent and this substituent both are at the same distance from the carbon-carbon double bond. So in order to avoid confusion, it is better to write in 2 ways. In first case it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this way, and you write the substituent in alphabetical order. So it is 6-bromo, 3-chloro, 4-methyl, 6-bromo, 3-chloro alphabetical order and 4-methyl cyclohexene. Number allotted for the substituent is 6 plus 3 plus 4 is 15. No, 13. 6, 3 and 4, 13. The other approach, if I put here 1, this is 2, for this position it is 3, for this position it is 4, for this position it is 5 and for this position it is 6, then its name will be the number which is given in the circle. So it is 3-bromo, 6-chloro, 5-methyl, cyclohexene. Now see the number 3, 6 plus 5, it is 14. Which one is lowest? This is lowest. This is lowest number. So lowest sum rule is used. Lowest sum rule is used when the sum of number given to substituent is low. This is the correct name. Lowest sum rule is used when the sum of numbers given to substituents is low or lowest. So in this, according to this rule, the first numbering is correct. This is correct name of this compound and this is not the correct name. So you will find so many examples of this type in alkene chapter. Now one more example. CH3 CH2 CH CH2 CH3 CH double bond CH2, no CH CH3. Add one more, so CH double bond CH CH3. The numbering should be 1, 2, and this is 1, 2. Now see the position of side chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So position of side chain from both ends is the same. It is 5 from this side. It is 5 from this side. So numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, already 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So its name will be 5-ethyl root word known A, and its number is 2, 7 diene. So 5-ethyl nona 2, 7 diene. This is 2 and this is 7. This is 5, this is substituent. So this is the name of this compound. So this is about the IUPAC name of the alkenes. Thank you very much.